It is hard to find good keywords on Redbubble that have low competition, ones with enough potential to make you sales, and of course, ones without tech spammers. Finding such keywords can be hard work because you have to avoid tools that are used by most people to save time and find trending tags. That is why I'm currently using search operators, which are special commands that are helping me filter search results on Google. And in this video, I want to share with you a few interesting keywords I found. These keywords are mostly without tech spammers, they are low competitive and without trademarks. However, I always recommend double checking for trademarks, so please check again. But before I show you some keywords, I need to clarify something. I will introduce you to some long tail keywords that are something like a cornerstone on which you can build. You have to do some research, come up with some ideas and find similar categories and tags to expand your efforts. What do I mean by this? The Redbubble search function is powered by a set of sophisticated algorithms, but basically, it can be summarized quite easily. Redbubble is categorizing design by tags, and when you make a sale, the design will start climbing up for all the tags you are using in your design listing. That is why you have to use at least 15 tags for your listing. Use single words but also long tail keywords, and you should also use some categories Redbubble has suggested to you. When you know everything that matters, let's go to keywords I found recently. The first is the phrase Happy 100 Monthsary. As you can see, there are almost no designs. With these keywords, you can easily target couples who have been together for 100 months. This is a category for lovers, love and happiness. A cool fact about this is that you can easily come up with another keyword. Why should you use only 100 months? Use another number. Let your imagination work. The next keyword I found is Kiat Judai. I have probably said it wrong, but this is a trending weight loss workout. It is in fact a dance workout that is helping to lose weight along with reducing belly fat. This workout is very popular in various countries, and TikTok, Instagram and YouTube are full of videos about this workout method. According to me, this is an interesting niche with a huge potential. Another keyword I want to show you belongs to Christianity niche. Jesus is my homie. I already mentioned it in another of my videos, but the Christianity niche is one of the best categories I have made a lot of sales. It is full of passionate buyers, and this phrase is a great starting point. It is a nice slogan with low competition and without trademarks. And as you can see, designs on the first page are pretty simple, and what is more important, artists here are making one of the biggest mistakes, because they are using white font or illustration on a sticker. It does not look good. Be clever and make a design with dark colors, especially for stickers, because stickers are the best selling product on Redbubble. Let's stay in the Christian niche and take a look at the phrase I love Jesus, but I drink a little. Funny, a sarcastic quote with minimal competition and a lot of simple typographic designs. Why not make a cute, unexpected illustration that will stand out? The last keyword I want to share with you is sailing slogan. There is so much here you can create. Just imagine who is searching for a sailing slogan or quote. Such a person is passionate about their hobby. Just search in Google for catchy sailing slogans and create designs around them. And do not search for slogans only. Sailing has certainly lots of specific terms and phrases. Find something interesting that will be good on a t-shirt and take advantage of it. I hope this video was helpful and gave you some ideas for your new designs. If you love my content, then like, comment or subscribe. All the effort will be appreciated.